Today's look is a bright, fun, neon, summery, rainbowish eyes using the BYS NEONS eyeshadow palette that I found at Family Dollar for $2. Neon eyeshadows, legit neon eyeshadows for $2. You guys have to check this out if you're into brights. We're using the Milani eyeshadow primer, and then I'm going to use the LaColors color corrector, and this is just the highlight one, so it's just white shimmery, and I'm using that as my secondary base. I think it worked out pretty well. And we're using the BYS, it didn't crease or anything, NEONS palette, and we're going to pick up that beautiful yellow shade on the small flat shader brush, and this is going to minimize fallout and really be able to pack those shades on. Of course they're a bit powdery, of course they're a bit chalky. They are neons, but for $2 there's not much complaining I'm gonna do, other than, like most neons, they're really hard to blend out, and you lose a lot of color. So we're picking up that bright orange shade there, and we're gonna apply that in the middle. Now the neon yellow shade, as you can tell, went in the first part of our lid and the inner corner part, and literally we're just placing colors right now. We're gonna blend a bit, but as you will see in a minute, like, the more you blend, the more you touch these shadows, the more they want to rub off, and that's another problem with neons, but that's with all neons really. But in the end, I got them to blend as much as I possibly could, and I think it came out pretty good. I'm cleaning off the brush with the AOA Studio cleaner, and it really works. So we're going to be picking up this pink, and we're going to apply that on the outer corner of our lid, and I'm only taking these shades a little bit into the crease. The thing also with neons is to apply them next to a like shade to make blending easier. They eventually will blend and look okay. At first I wasn't entirely happy with this look just because it just didn't look very blended, but neons are just hard to work with in general. So it is kind of a weird shape as well, but I didn't want to do too much in the crease. So this is a clean blending brush, and I'm just going over the edges to kind of blend them out a bit. I'm going to be taking the Amuse Temptress palette. This palette's from Shop Mascara. Do highly recommend it. We're picking up that cool tone peachy skin tone color, if that makes any sense, and it's matte. So we're just going to take that along the lines to help a little bit with blending in the crease. We're also going to pick up this nice French vanilla kind of shade that's matte in the palette, and we're going to use that for our highlight shade and continue to blend down the edges a bit. And we're using the NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk in the waterline and the lower lash line as well. Blend that out so we can apply some more color to there. So this shade is like the lime green in the palette, and honestly the neon yellow and the neon lime green are my two personal favorites in this palette, and you'll see later with another upcoming tutorial. They are like blam. They are amazing. So I blend the yellow and the green on the lower lash line together, and look how perfect that looks. So we're using the Milani eyeliner, the Stay Put eyeliner I always use to tight line with. And we're using the AOA Studio Wonder Liquid Liner in black. This is a matte black eyeliner. It does do a pretty good job. Look at that thin brush. So you can do thin, thick, medium lines, wings. Now this is not the perfect wing eyeliner, but I didn't have a lot of time to work on it, and it is what it is. But I don't hate it. I've done worse. And like I said, this look was just for fun. I hope you guys find it fun as well. Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, and also with neons and a lot of different shadows too, it's very hard to remove mascara from the look once you get on there. As you can tell on that eye right there, there's still a bit on there. I just can't do anything about it without rubbing my eyeshadow off. So of course we're using the Maybelline number 920 lipstick in Nude Lust. This is my favorite lipstick at the most, and I've used it in the past like 15 tutorials. I freaking love this lipstick. And I also wanted to show you other lip options, so I paired it with a gray lip, and I also paired it with a bright purple lip. I just love how it looks. I really love that purple lip, but it's like way too much blam in your face color. So yes, that's the finished look. It's done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already.